Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to brush my teeth.
I am ready to play.
I am ready to play.
I want some water, please.
I want some water, please.
I'm feeling sleepy.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
I don't understand this.
I don't understand this.
I like to draw pictures.
I like to draw pictures.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
It's time to eat lunch.
It's time to eat lunch.
I am putting on my shoes.
I am putting on my shoes.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to wash my hands.
Can I go outside?
Can I go outside?
I finished my homework.
I finished my homework.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
My favorite color is red.
My favorite color is red.
I am playing with my toys.
I am playing with my toys.
I like carrots.
I like carrots.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
Can we go to the park?
Can we go to the park?
I want to ride my bike.
I want to ride my bike.
I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
I'm feeling hungry.
I'm feeling hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I'm drawing a picture.
I'm drawing a picture.
I want to play outside.
I want to play outside.
It's time to do my homework.
It's time to do my homework.
Can I play with my friends?
Can I play with my friends?
I'm putting away my toys.
I'm putting away my toys.
Can we go to the zoo?
Can we go to the zoo?
Can you tie my shoes?
Can you tie my shoes?
I'm playing with my blocks.
playing with my blocks.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I like to play with my doll.
I like to play with my doll.
I'm polishing my shoes.
I'm polishing my shoes.
I am wearing my favorite shirt.
I am wearing my favorite shirt.
I need to go to the bathroom.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Can you read me a story?
Can you read me a story?
I am learning to read.
I am learning to read.
It's time for breakfast.
It's time for breakfast. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.